Ramogi TV kawadhiana mbele weche mag siasa ne jatend Wiper Democratic Movement Kalonzo Musyoka owuok tung' mosuo kod sirkal kendo seyo kuom kenge ma sirkal ochako mag chulo joma ne oyudo hinyruok e kinde ng'anyo. Kalonzo mane oloso Nairobi ka ndio seyo okang' mar sirkal kowacho ni gin chudo ok ginyal chako chudo ka gin ema ne gisetimo maundu ne jopiny. Kalonzo sani koro oramo ni en emobiro reso jo Kenya ok e lwet telo ma ok odewo pachgi.
So I just here to encourage you to stand strong. And believe you me, we'll be with you. Whether or not you are Wiper Patriotic Front or Democratic Party or UDA, because I can tell you, a time is coming when Kenyans are going to say, wait. It cannot be any other way than change. And the change that has eluded this nation is coming. So don't give up. Help is around the corner, and play your role. Play your role fearlessly. You beat each other senseless, you kill each other, you maim each other. And then the state will say, we'll compensate you. We'll kill you, then compensate you. My honest submission is let there be a blanket admission by this administration that they wrongfully detained, they wrongfully maimed, they destroyed people's property and blamed it on other wrong people, that there must be a blanket apology to the Kenyan nation.